Hey. Hey, he's smiling. What are you doing? Oops. I don't know how to I don't know how to film me very well, do I? Show me how you get up on your knees. Yeah, just like that. Get up on those knees. There you go. Up you go. Oh. What? Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it? Good boy. Good job. Yeah. You're 5 months old. You're ready to crawl. He's ready to crawl, huh, Oliver? He's ready to crawl. Yeah. You want to say anything?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.